just wanted to do. We've got a little bit more time in this lecture, so I thought for fun I'd show you. I recently bought a drone, and we went on for the well. You guys were having your 1 week off. With family and I went to this cottage up near Huntsville, largely with my. So this is I took for my drone. I just learning how to use it. This is mainly my daughter's husband's family. There was 14 of us in total in this cottage. Speed it up a bit. So you see a beautiful lake and lots of color. I'll just jump ahead. Some of the gang. This is my son. This little guy is my grandson, youngest. He has no fear. He kept telling him, stay away from the drone. He kept coming closer and closer. And there we are having Thanksgiving dinner. This guy here is that son you saw before. He's flying the drone. Inside. That's quite a feat. There he is, controlling it well. Got the controller with him. And we were nervous about whether the wind would carry away all the napkins, so there were no napkins around. You'll see in a moment that the wind can get pretty big from a drone. There's the youngest grandkids, and you can see my daughter's hair flying. Anyways, the other thing I wanted to show was it was so well behaved. Yes. We've got a well-behaved bunch of people. Yeah, okay. I noticed that you guys haven't been viewing the videos for Lecture 7, because I guess all the midterms you guys are taking. Only 62 viewed the video of this lecture, last week's lecture, and only 21 viewed the quiz review. Anyways, what's interesting? What's interesting? What's interesting is this. So these videos are up forever, basically, and for some reason, Lecture 2 from 1915 had 10,000 views. So they build up with time. And one of the reasons they build up is that this website that they're on, it's open to everyone, and we average something like about 4,000 visitors a month. So you guys aren't the only guys watching these videos. Now, in terms of the quiz last week, everyone did very well. I think the 96% was the class average, and there was really no mistakes that people made. You know, any particular mistake that anyone made in the class. So I don't know if I need to go over the quiz questions unless any one of you would like me to go over a particular one. If not, then we can go on with